with Ish. Now today we are going to see how to evaluate this integral problem, which says integral of x cubed divided by root of x to the power 4 minus 3. Okay, the x. Now the first thing we are going to do is to substitute for this function inside this root sign. Okay, so we are going to say let u be equal to this function here, x to the power 4 minus 3, and then after that we are going to differentiate. So if we differentiate with respect to x, we have du is equal to, if I differentiate this, that gives me 4x cubed, of course my dx. Now I'm going to make this the x the subject of the formula from here. So if I make the x the subject of the formula, that makes this to become du over 4x cubed. And then after this, the next thing I'm going to do is to substitute into this particular integral function now. So I'm going to substitute this value for dx. I'm going to substitute this value for u into this entire integral function. So let's do that now. So if I'm substituting, I have my x cubed over square root of, now this has been replaced by u for my substitution, then this dx, the x is being replaced by du over 4x power 3. Now this will cancel out this, and you see that, and then that gives us, you are left with 1 over square root of u du. If we rewrite this in indices, that will give me this. Okay, then we apply our standard integral form for the power rule, which will give us u minus half plus 1 all over minus half plus 1. Of course, minus half plus 1 is half divided by half, and this, when you divide by half, is same thing as multiplying, so that gives us 2u raised to the power of half. Now what we're going to do next is to replace back, substitute back this u, which is x to the power 4 minus 3, which I replace back here. Okay, so lastly, this is raised to the power of half. We can put it back in the root form, and so close this bracket here, and so this is our final answer. So I hope this made sense to you. Have a good day. Bye.